Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Miss Fabulous. Hey, welcome back. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Miss Fabulous, Miss.Fabulous, and that's Fabulous with a Z at the end instead of an S. Today I'm just going to do a quick fashion haul. I'm actually on my way to Las Vegas for a quick little girls trip. It is my birthday weekend. My birthday was yesterday. I had a lot of fun. I'm going to continue to have fun. So I want to show you guys what I'm going to be packing with me to Vegas. I did order stuff from Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, and Amazon. And then, yeah, those are the three stores. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Outfit, I want to show y'all the first outfit, which is this sweatsuit. Let me move the chair bag. My room is a mess because I'm in the middle of picking, but this is a sweatsuit. It's really cute. I want to insert a picture right here so you guys can see the full look. This off of Amazon. It was $30 on Amazon. I'm going to post the direct link in the description box so you guys could go check it out. So I have this sweater set I got from Fashion Nova. I'm going to pick this. I'm going to wear this. This is one of my daytime outfits, Saturday daytime outfits. And it's really cute. I want to show you guys how it looks right here. It's really cute. This was $42. It was on sale, so it was $41.99 on sale. I'm not sure what the original price was, but I will post the direct link down in the description box. Also coming from Fashion Nova is this beautiful dress. Oh yeah, by the way, all the stuff that I'm taking with me to Vegas is pink because I'm doing a pink series and my birthday theme is 25 shades of pink. I wasn't able to have a big party or a party for my 25th birthday because of COVID-19, so I just thought that I would just still stick with I would still pick a theme and I would just take a bunch of pictures, look cute, just feel great. I'm 25. That's like a milestone for me, so I just wanted to do something. I did not want to just do anything regular, so everything that I have is pink because we're doing 25 shades of pink theme. This is like a ruche type of dress. It's really cute. It's a midi dress, so it goes down kind of to your, like, between your ankle and your knees, like right in between there, and it's so cute. It comes off the shoulder. I got it from Fashion Nova. This was like $40. I'm going to post it directly in the description box. And right here is how it looks on. So cute. I got this dress. This dress is so cute. So I had to order this dress. I ordered it in a 1X. And when I ordered it in a 1X, it was way too big, so I went and go ahead and got an extra large. It's still a little baggy. It is not fitted the way that I would like for it to fit, but I didn't want to send it back again, so I just stuck with it, and it is still cute. It's still really cute. It has these like rhinestone details coming down the side. This shows a little thigh. It's really pretty. The material is like a velour silky material. It's very soft. It's very comfortable. It does have these shoulder pads in there, so it gives it like a even more elegant look. This how it does have the size out, so be prepared to have a little bit of skin showing. It is very sexy. Now with this dress, I'm going to pair that with this bag. Very cute. And then I have some really cute heels that I want to show you guys that's going to go with the dress. Those are really cute. These I got from the store called Got the Look. It's like a Fashion Nova, but it's in store. These were $24.99. That's not bad for $24.99. Like, again, look at the detail. They are very comfortable. These I could walk in. I had them on. I wore them to my birthday dinner yesterday, and I had them on the entire night. They did not hurt my feet. Moving right along, I got this bathing suit from Amazon. It fits really nice. I just love it. It's like a monokini. So your hair is like your stomach out, your sides, and then it has your back out. It looks really nice on your butt. And then moving right along to the stuff that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I got this spaghetti strap dress. Very cute. So it's like slightly slanted, so that's what gives it a dressier look than your average spaghetti strap sundress. And then it also has a slit on the side, so also giving it more of a dressy look than your average sundress that you would just wear on a regular basis. So I'm going to actually pair this with the turtleneck when I wear this, a white turtleneck. It's going to be cute. And here's what it looks like. Moving right along. Okay, so this I wanted to wear on my birthday, right? And my sister went to zip it for me in the bag, and look what happened to the zipper. Very cheap. The material is very cheap. It's not the same material I expected. It looks very pretty on camera, but in person, the actual material of the dress, very cheap, not durable. The zipper is not aligned anymore because it came off the track, so now I had to replace the zipper or send it back to the store. This was like $98, and it honestly, this wasn't worth it. So sad I did not get to wear that outfit to my birthday dinner. I had to wear a different dress. This dress was only $30, and the material, I love this dress. I just love the dress. Look at the details of the sleeves. It puffs at the top. It has a mock neck. It has these really pretty buttons in the back. It has a bow on it, and it just hugs me and fits me so well. It's very thick, so it's warm actually to wear outside in the wintertime, and it's just lovely. Like, I love this dress. I just love it. And I did wear this on a date the day before my birthday, and here's what it looks like. And this was $30, and this material is way better than this. This is $90, and this is wasting my money. So just look at the materials really well when you're ordering stuff. I had to learn that, especially being a thick girl. A lot of my clothes I buy, I have to be careful because I can't really fit. I'm thick, so I would be considered a plus size girl, but some of the plus size clothes I can't fit because they come too big. So like a 1X would be too big for me in Fashion Nova, and then like an extra large, some of the extra larges would be too small. So I learned to just order things that have like stretch to it or elastic to it, because if not, then I won't be able to wear it because it's going to be too small or too big if it's in a plus size. I have these. I got from Got the Look as well. They were $34.99. Got the Look. These were really cute. Now, I'm not really like a platform type of girl, but however, I am going to Las Vegas, and it is a lot of walking. Like, I love to wear my heels. I love heels, but I had to find like something, and my dresses are super dressy, super sexy. So I had to find something that I could wear that's sexy, comfortable, and I could wear all night long, and it does not look too out of place. So I did go ahead and get these, and it has like the rhinestone detail. I'm extra. I'm always extra and fabulous, you know. You can't be fabulous without being a little extra. Ain't nothing wrong with being a little extra fabulous. Okay. All right, so guys, I gotta go ahead and put all of this stuff inside of my suitcase, and just stay tuned for my next upload, because I will be vlogging my entire Vegas trip. It's something that you want to tune into if you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay fabulous until I see you again on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's miss.fabulous. That's with the Z. In case y'all wanted to know what the Z stands for, my name is Zaire. Z-A-I-R-E. Zaire. So Miss Fabulous is like fabulous, and then I add the Z at the end. That's just a quick little something. But until next time, bye.